Sending the balls out of the park needs more power to send the ball. Without strength, it's difficult to score runs. And here are some players who has scored more sixes for one franchise in IPL. And we have picked top 3 six hitters from the each team. Mumbai Indians from 2008. They made to playoffs for 9 times, which is the second most by any team. And if it comes to sending ball out of the fielder's reach, Hardik Pandya falls on third place as he is playing for one franchise from 2015. Hardik has 95 sixes. Skipper Rohit Sharma is on the second place as the hitman walked his team to 5-time champions. Rohit Sharma has scored 173 sixes for Mumbai Indians, and Caribbean all-rounder Kieron Pollard is on the first place as Kohli has been associated to one franchise since he auctioned in 2010. Mumbai all-rounder has 211 sixes in IPL for Mumbai Indians, and he is in the 5th place for most sixes in IPL history. The 2012 and 2014 champions had big hitters. Chris Lynn is on the third spot for KKR as the Australian batsman has sent the ball 63 times out of the park, but now he is playing for Mumbai Indians. Yusuf Pathan and Robin Uthappa shares the second position as both the batsmen scored equal number of sixes, but Yusuf Pathan scored 91 sixes from 91 innings, while the wicketkeeper batsman Robin Uthappa has scored same number of sixes from 84 innings, and the giant hitter Russell is on the first place as the all-rounder strengthened the ball 139 times. Sunrisers has most powerful batsman who can turn the table around at any moment. Shikhar Dhawan has played for SRH from 2013 to 2018. Gabbar has scored 49 sixes for SRH, and Kane Williamson is on the second place as Williamson scored 55 sixes for SRH, and David Warner falls on the first place as the left-hander scored 143 sixes for Sunrisers. Punjab has changed the captain's 11th time in IPL history, which is the most by any team, and the three powerful six hitters are David Miller, South African left-hander, comes on the third place for Kings as Miller scored 87 sixes for Punjab. The Universe boss Chris Gayle is on the second spot. The Universe boss has scored the second most sixes in IPL for Punjab. Gayle has 92 sixes from just 39 innings, and captain KL Rahul falls on the first spot as he joined the team in 2018. From 2018, KL smashed 96 sixes in 49 innings. Comment down who will be the first person to hit 100 sixes for Punjab. Delhi Capitals, the 2020 runners-up, is on the 5th place as DC's right-handed batsman Shreyas Iyer has scored 83 sixes from 79 innings, and he sits at the third position. And the fearless batsman opener Virendra Sehwag is on the second spot with 85 sixes from 79 innings, and the unorthodox left-handed wicketkeeper comes on the first place. Rishabh Pant scored 105 sixes from 79 innings for Delhi Capitals. Rajasthan Royals won the inaugural edition of IPL. English wicketkeeper is on the third place as Josh Butler powered 64 times out of the park. Indian wicketkeeper and current captain of Rajasthan Royals is on the second place as Sanju Samson played 82 innings for Rajasthan Royals and he smashed 99 sixes, one shot from 100 sixes. Shane Watson is on the first place as Watto smashed 109 sixes while he was playing for Rajasthan Royals. CSK is the only team to enter playoffs 10 times and won the IPL title consecutive times. After coming from ban, they returned with a bang by winning 2018 IPL trophy. South African batsman is on the third place for most sixes for CSK. Faf du Plessis scored 77 sixes from 77 innings, and the power hitter from top order Suresh Raina has put 179 sixes for team, and the captain from CSK make it to the number 1 spot with 187 sixes, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni is on the 4th place in the most sixes in IPL list. One of the most entertaining team in IPL. They might had failed to lift a trophy, yet they played their heart out. RCB is the only team where top 3 six hitters have crossed 200 plus sixes for RCB. Number 3, skipper Kohli is on the third place. He is the only Indian to play for just one franchise from 2008, and he scored 205 sixes for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And the Superman 360-degree batter De Villiers is on the second place as the ABD has scored 232 sixes for RCB, and he is on the second place for most sixes in IPL. Number 1, Chris Gayle. The Jamaican batsman has several records in IPL, and this is the one feather in his cap as Gayle scored 239 sixes for RCB alone. He is the only player to cross 350 plus sixes in IPL history. Gayle currently scored 355 sixes in his IPL career, and he is on the number 1 spot in most sixes in IPL list. To get all the updates of the stats in cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, आएंगे हम वापस।